Benefits of jasmine flowers. You can feel the benefits of jasmine flowers for beauty and health when processed into tea, lotion, or essential oil. Jasmine flowers are famous for their distinctive aroma and also useful as an alternative medicine. Of the 200 types of jasmine in the world, only 9 types of jasmine are commonly cultivated. Meanwhile, 8 other types of jasmine have the potential as ornamental plants. Here is a complete explanation of the benefits or efficacy of jasmine flowers. Number 1. Premature aging can be prevented by using jasmine flowers. Simply by applying some oil from jasmine flowers to the face and neck area every night on a regular basis. This will help slow down the process of developing fine lines on the skin, as it can help increase the production of collagen, which helps fill in the spaces created by wrinkles. Number 2. Jasmine flowers can help to strengthen your hair. For those of you who have problems such as baldness, hair loss or other problems, then jasmine is the right solution to use. The benefits of jasmine flowers will be suitable for use as herbal remedies in hair care. The method is quite easy. Prepare up to 14 jasmine flowers, 6 bowls of jasmine flower leaves, 2 fragrant of pandan leaves, 6 of ylang-ylang leaves, 1 cup of coconut oil, 50 milliliters of sesame oil, 10 grams of candle nuts, 2 of roses, and 4 liters of water. Then, puree all the ingredients and boil the ingredients over low heat for 20 minutes. After that, cool the mixture and apply to the scalp area while massaging evenly. Do this regularly twice a day before taking a shower. Number 3. Jasmine flowers are rich in antioxidants. Jasmine flowers that are used as a tea and herbal medicine have high antioxidant properties. Polyphenol compounds are useful for preventing cell damage, including jasmine tea that are made from green tea. EGCG compounds have been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects and lower blood lipids, thereby reducing the risk of heart disease. Number 4. Jasmine flowers can help you to lose weight. Consuming jasmine flowers as tea is also beneficial to help lose weight because it affects metabolism. If you consume it regularly, the compounds in it can increase metabolism and burn fat. The benefits of jasmine flowers for fat burning are related to the content of caffeine and the polyphenol EGCG. Number 5. Jasmine flowers can keep your teeth to stay healthy. When jasmine flowers have been processed into tea, there are compounds that add benefits or properties called catechins. Catechins are polyphenolic compounds that can help to protect against tooth decay, such as cavities and bad breath problems. The way it works is by killing plaque-forming bacteria. Number 6. Jasmine flowers can improve brain function. Jasmine flower tea contains caffeine, which functions to stimulate the nervous system. The trick is to block adenosine blockers. Adenosine is also useful for making the body calmer. There is also L-theanine, which one of its functions can help you become more alert. Number 7. Jasmine flowers can reduce stress level. Don't miss the use of jasmine essential oil, which is beneficial for calming the body. In addition, this essential oil can also stimulate the body, thereby helping to reduce depression and improve mood. When inhaling essential oils, the scent of jasmine flowers can affect brain activity to be more positive and vibrant. Number 8. Jasmine flowers have been shown to reduce the risk of diabetes. Type 2 diabetes can occur because the body is not able to use insulin effectively. In jasmine flower tea, the compound EGCG is efficacious to help the body use insulin, thereby reducing blood sugar levels. Number 9. Jasmine flower can keep your heart to stay healthy. In animal studies, the polyphenol content of jasmine flowers has been shown to help protect against the oxidation of bad cholesterol. It lowers the risk of heart disease. Another study found that people who drank jasmine green tea had a 19% lower risk of having a heart attack. Then there is also a reduced risk of stroke by 36%. That was a video about jasmine flower benefits. I hope this video is useful for all of you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share.